lady. Is that for construction? He's so cute. I love this guy. Yeah, but hey, this one just cool. I went to Billy 19, sandals half off. You like my sandals? Hallelujah. Should I tell them about the two grandsons? Oh wait, let me tell them about the green card. I went to go get my green card the other day. That was a story, let me tell you. Okay, I go there and the guy or the lady, I don't even remember. She goes, okay, I need you to use the 3 colors in a sentence. I go, 3 colors? I don't even know 2 in English. I go, it's okay, but I go, okay, let's see. This morning, I woke up and my phone went green, green, green. I picked it up, and I say yellow. But I should talk about my grandchildren. I have 2 beautiful grandchildren, Jonathan and Jessica. Oh, I love Jonathan and Jessica. Jonathan's beautiful. I love, she's perfect. The only thing, when I have food ready downstairs, I go, Jonathan. Oh, Jonathan, food's ready, Jonathan. He's upstairs listening. Soldier boy, you, soldier boy, you, soldier boy, you. I go, oh, Jonathan. Jonathan, you and the shocking on, and I go, hey, Jonathan, you gonna get a shabal if you don't come upstairs. I love Jonathan. And Jessica, oh, Jessica's getting the age of school, girls in high school, I don't know. But then, she goes to the parties now. She goes, well, I'm going to do a party at 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock, I go pick up my Jessica. I was going to go pick her up. 12 o'clock, I'm also at the party. 12:15, but where's Jessica? I go inside the party. I go inside. First thing I see my Jessica. Azush. See what she was doing? You're a DJ. Thank you very much. They listen to all this crazy music, crazy Soulja Boy, and I was watching the Disney Channel. I saw Aladdin the other day. It was so amazing, this beautiful song. So I'm going to sing to you my favorite song from Aladdin and going into my favorite Portuguese song. You guys ready? All right. I can show you the world, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, and under, on a magic carpet ride, a whole new world, a dazzling place I make for never to. But when I'm way up here, it's crystal clear that now I'm in a whole new world with you. Everybody clap your hands.
Il est mon pajot, aïe aïe aïe, qu'il est ton ami.